So guys, even though I'm using Windows 11, this will also work for Windows 10 as well. So for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on B on your keyboard. Now you want to scroll down until you find the Bluetooth support service. The Bluetooth support service, so you're going to double click on it. And then you want to change the startup type to automatic and then click on start. And then click on OK. But if you got here and the Bluetooth support service was already running and it was already on automatic, then you want to click on restart the service. And now for the third step, you want to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to scroll down and then find Bluetooth and then click on run. This will come up, you want to click on this. Wait for this to load. And now once this comes up, you want to scroll down and then click on yes. And now you want to scroll down and now you want to follow all the steps that will come up and then hopefully that'll fix your problem. And now once you complete all of this, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.